Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you how to show or hide the toolbar on your Mac, whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac. The steps are the same on all Mac devices. The toolbar is the row at the top of a Finder window that contains quick action buttons like Back, Forward, View Options, Share, and Search. If this bar is missing, here's how you can bring it back. First, open any Finder window. Then, go to the top menu bar and click on View. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Show Toolbar. Click on it, and the toolbar will instantly appear at the top of your Finder window, giving you access to all those handy controls. If the toolbar is already visible, and you want to hide it, simply go back to the View menu and select Hide Toolbar. You can toggle this option on or off anytime based on your preference. And that's all you need to do to show or hide the toolbar on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.